This is my first finance video and I'm so excited. Let's talk real. Being good with money is not about cutting lattes. It's not about panicking if your car battery dies. If you've ever checked your bank account with one eye closed, then my friends, welcome. You are in the right place. Now in this video, I have a couple of promises. So you're gonna walk away with 5 small wins with no shame, no overwhelm, just confidence and control. So let me tell you a little funny story. I'll never forget the time my car battery died. Not because it was really expensive. I knew it was gonna come. I knew I was gonna have some issue with my car someday, and I still wasn't ready. I remember thinking when my car battery died, I'm an adult, and why does this feel like a pop quiz that I did not study for? What do I do? Do I go on YouTube? Do I figure out how to fix my car battery? I had no idea. Well, luckily I went to Walmart and they did it for me, right? But it wasn't a financial emergency because I had money set aside for when little things like this happen. So this moment really taught me money isn't about being rich. It's about being prepared. And that is what today is about. So here's a little truth about money. Financial responsibility, it's not about perfection. It's again about preparedness. And everyone messes up, even smart people. I cannot tell you how many times I have made financial mistakes, like major financial mistakes. But the important thing is to learn fast, to adjust, and keep moving forward because progress beats perfection every single time. Okay, lesson number 1 is face your numbers because you can't fix what you're not willing to look at. So what I want you to do, open up your phone right now, pause the video if you need to, and look at your bank app. Okay, so it's really important that you know what is coming in and what is going out. This is really, it's awareness. It's not punishment. Okay, so comment down below and tell me, are you on team check daily, where you're checking your bank account daily, or are you on team avoid until payday? So comment down below and tell us which team you're on. But remember, both are totally normal and okay wherever you're at. Number 2 is give every dollar a job. Okay, this is not hoping that money lasts. It is telling money where to go. You have a job. You're working for me now, buddy, Mr. Washington, right? So we have 3 different places where this dollar bill can go. It can go toward needs, wants, or savings. And in my next video, I have the 50-30-20 rule, but I like to rebrand it to the 20-50-30 rule and pay yourself first. So if you do not give this dollar bill a job, you know what's gonna happen? It's just gonna walk away and disappear, right? So you need to make sure you're giving every dollar a job. Number 3 is start a Life Happens fund. Okay, so this is not gonna be an emergency fund, okay? That's kind of a boring name, right? This is a Life Happens fund. Life happens, right? Your car battery dies like mine did. Life happens. Maybe you have a sick kid. Life happens. Maybe you have to take your pet to the vet. Life happens. Or a dental surprise. Life happens. So if you can put $500 into your Life Happens fund, you're gonna have a sense of peace when life actually does happen. Remember, it's not necessarily about the money. It's just breathing easier and not being as stressed when these situations do arise. Number 4, borrow, but don't beg. Okay, debt isn't evil. I mean, it mostly is, but some debt isn't evil, but debt is expensive. So here's a rule I like to think about. If you cannot explain the interest rate, then don't take the loan, okay? Imagine you have a 5 or 6-year-old and you need to explain the interest rate to that 5 or 6-year-old. If you can't explain it, don't take the loan. You need to make sure that you fully understand it. Okay, let's say you walk into a place and the salesperson says, low monthly payment, and then they don't tell you the actual cost. Run. Don't even let them finish talking. Run. Get out of there. You want to make sure that you know the entire cost. How much is this debt actually costing you? Let me tell you, my friends, your future self is watching you. Future self 1 year from now, future self 5 years, 10 years from now. And your future self is judging you, lovingly, of course, but make decisions that your future self is going to appreciate. Number 5, pay yourself first. Bills, yeah, they matter, but your future self also matters too. So I want you to start treating savings like it's a bill. All right, let's say you've got $10. $10. I want you to take two of the $10, and I want you to pay yourself first. So take this, automate it into your savings or your investing, and then you're going to be living life with $8, not even realizing that this $2 is saving for your future. Now, if you want to be financially set even faster, maybe reach financial independence, then take this $2 and double it to $4, or maybe even save half of it or invest half of it and live a frugal life on the $5. And you will become financially independent before you even know.